morning guys. So I just got out of the chiropractic office. I feel like I never film in my car, but I have tried to film an intro to this vlog at least 3 times over the last 3 days, and I just totally forget to pick up my camera and vlog because honestly not really up to much in this whole lockdown period, so there's not really much to vlog, but I really want to. So I'm gonna try remember to vlog today. It is, what's the time? 9:45, and I just got out of the chiro's office, and now I'm just about to drive home. These are like my favorite mornings because I actually get to leave my house and go for a drive. Obviously you're not really allowed to drive anywhere in lockdown apart from like medical reasons and shopping, so yeah, it's kind of just like a good excuse to drive down the coast. But yeah, I'm just going to put a podcast on. I'm going to listen to my friend Haley's podcast. And tonight I'm actually going to be interviewed for her podcast, which I'm super excited for. But her podcast is called The Happiest, Healthiest Podcast. So you guys should definitely look it up if you're after a new one. I'm going to listen to this, drive home, and then I will check back in with you guys. So I'm home now. I actually got home a couple of hours ago, but then I went for a walk with a friend. Another rule about lockdown, you're only allowed to go for a 1 hour walk a day, and you can go with a friend, but they have to live within 5 kilometers of you. So luckily I have one friend that lives within a 5 kilometer radius, which is very lucky. So it's been good to go for walks with her. But now I'm making some lunch. So I'm gonna make sweet chili wraps because I've been honestly obsessed with them lately. They're just really easy, and I haven't really been like in the mood to meal prep lately. I think just being like at home every day, I don't really see the point to kind of meal prep at the moment. But yeah, I've just kind of been making food fresh every day, which has been good and gives me something to do. So yeah, I've just got coleslaw, I've got some low carb wraps, some lettuce, might do some cheese and onion, and yeah, just kind of make up a wrap. I think I'm also going to do the dishes while lunch cooks because that is what I'm working with. I need to clean some things. The chicken tenders are in the air fryer, so I'm just going to make my wrap now. Good morning guys, and happy Friday. So it is now the next day. I didn't really film anything yesterday after doing like the dishes, and I made my lunch. In the afternoon I just had a few client calls, and I also did that podcast interview with my friend Haley, so that was super fun. I will try and link it below if it's already up by the time this video goes up, because yeah, I just really liked it. It was so much fun, and I hope that it helps anyone who listens to it. So yeah, I did that last night, and then it's 10 AM in the morning. I've just gotten ready and I'm about to do a Zoom PT call with a client, so I'm just going to do that. Not really up to much. I do want to do a workout today. I've honestly been a little bit like lazy the last few days, and I haven't done a workout in I think since like Tuesday, so it's not that long, but usually I like to move my body like every day, so I'm dying to do a workout today. Hopefully I get that done. I think the weather has just been so bad here. Like yesterday it was just thunderstorms, So it really like does not motivate me to work out, but I will try and work out today. I'm saying it on here, so hopefully you see a workout in this vlog. But yeah, I'm gonna go train my client. All right, got your weights with you? Or one weight? Yep, perfect. So I just got back from the shops and I thought I would quickly show you guys like a mini grocery haul. This is just some stuff for me for the next few days and like my meal prep next week. So I will put the camera around and show you. The first thing I got is just some fruit. So I've got blueberries because they're on sale, bananas because I live off bananas. I've just got my usual almond milk. I have these little YoPro yogurts. These are my favorite, all the Chobani Fit range. They're so high in protein and pretty low in sugar, so these are definitely my go-to snacks. For my lunches this week, I'm going to make Sanchoy bao. So I've just got some onion, carrot, lettuce, some corn, these little water chestnuts, and because I was lazy, I just bought a ready-made, oh, nearly knocked it off, ready-made sauce. I've actually never made this before, so I'm going to make it right now for lunch, and I'll show you guys how it turns out. I also bought some chicken as my protein for that. Whoop. As for my snacks, I'm going to make a little chickpea blondie with dark chocolate and chickpeas. And then my two little sweet treats for the week is my favorite ice cream. This one is the best. If you guys haven't tried it, you definitely have to. I just bought dark mint chocolate as well. Sometimes I just like having this after dinner just to kind of curb my sweet tooth. And then I bought a lemon lime and bitters with no added sugar. This is a really good brand as well. I think they have like an apple raspberry one, and it's really good. But yeah, I'm just gonna put this away now. I'm gonna make the Sanchoy bao in this vlog so you guys can see if it fails miserably or if I actually get it right. But yeah, let's put this stuff away and then start cooking it up. Vlogged in a few days. I kind of forgot that I was even vlogging. Hey baby. Yeah, we literally didn't get up too much. I think the last day I vlogged was maybe Thursday. It is now Monday, so we didn't get up to too much on the weekend. We basically, like, all of Saturday just sat on the ground and played board games. And then on Sunday, we did some worky things, like Andy worked on the designing of my business forms and I just like wrote client programs and things like that. So it wasn't the most exciting weekend, although on Friday night we did have like a Zoom games night with a bunch of our friends and that was really fun. But yeah, just like not much to vlog. I just actually made a fresh batch of cookies and totally forgot that I was vlogging. So I will leave the recipe down below if you guys want to know how to make these vegan choc chip cookies. I'm so excited. I'm gonna have one right now and also have a little afternoon coffee and then just do some more work. I'm so sorry. This vlog is probably really boring. I just really wanted to pick up my camera and vlog, but you know, not really doing much. So anyway, I think I'm going to end out this vlog now because I keep forgetting to pick it up anyway. But if you guys enjoyed the video, please give it a big thumbs up for me. Please don't forget to hit subscribe down below. Follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.